The maintenance granted now is 25,000 rupees to the child. That the respondent mother had a total transaction of about 78 lakhs 32,000 for one particular year, 2014 to 18. She closes up all those accounts. The respondent, her mother, became joint owners of 25 acres of coffee, pepper, areca estate and a palatial house built on half an acre of land. She holds multiple accounts in the banks and fixed deposit. She is leading a luxury life and she does not require any maintenance from him, and she is capable of leading her own life. Why I am pointing out this, my lord? It's only after I approached this court and this court directed the bank to produce the statement, she produces this. So all through the proceedings before the family court, she could not produce any details. I was constrained to come to my lord, and then after this court ordered me and directed the HDFC Bank to produce the statement, it is only thereafter she produces. This indicates the conduct of the respondent. My income, unfortunately, my business, I was in the hoarding business. In the entire Bangalore city, the hoarding business is now under a standstill, and from 2016 onward, there is no hoarding business. My assets, all my properties are attached by the State Bank under SARFAESI proceedings. My lord, if at least that is given, I have no objection in looking after my child. I'll beg, borrow, or steal, look after her. Neither am I given that benefit. From 2016, not a day I have seen my child.
It's a liability. Why did you withdraw? Why did you withdraw 24 lakhs just before filing of this MC petition?
On the last date of hearing.
Yes. What is the maintenance granted by the trial court?
The maintenance granted now is 25,000 rupees to the child and 35,000 rupees as expenses.
Litigation expenses.
Litigation expenses. My lord, when the matter was admitted,
yes,
I pointed out to my lord,
yes,
that the learned judge has observed at para 16, internal page 28, from the parties separated in 2017, please. In 2017, the minor child is taken by the mother to her parental home.
Yes. Give the other file. That order is in that.
Yes, ma'am.
Give the other file.
The learned judge categorically observes that the respondent mother had a total transaction of about 78 lakhs 32,000 for one particular year, 2014 to 18. She closes up all those accounts. And when the statement of assets and liabilities is filed, kindly come to Annexure G, my lord.
No, before that, we'll just see the order.
Please, my lord.
Let's see from para number 13.
Please, my lord. I'll read from para 13 onwards, please.
Yes.
On the other hand, the petitioner has contended that by borrowing crores of rupees, he has been running his business and purchased immovable property, and he has been paying in total more than a sum of rupees 4 lakhs as EMI to his creditors. By running her own business, the respondent is earning lakhs of rupees per month, being the legatees under the will executed by her deceased father. The respondent, her mother, became joint owners of 25 acres of coffee, pepper, areca estate and a palatial house built on half an acre of land. She holds multiple accounts in the banks and fixed deposit. She is leading a luxury life and she does not require any maintenance from him, and she is capable of leading her own life. Parties to the petition have filed their respective affidavits in lieu of declaration of their assistant liabilities as per the guidelines issued by the Honorable Apex Court in the case of Rajneesh versus Neha. On 8/4/2024, the petitioner filed applications under sections 195 and 340 of the CRP to register a complaint in the jurisdictional magistrate for offences punishable under so-and-so, stating that she has made false statement in a declaration of assets and liabilities. In spite of giving sufficient opportunity to the respondent, she has not filed a statement of objections to this application till today. On 17/7/2019, the petitioner filed IA number 9 directing the respondent to produce a bank statement of HDFC Bank, Virajpet from 2017. On 21/10/2019, the petitioner filed IA number 10 directing the respondent to produce an income tax returns for the assessment year 2019-2020 and issue summons to HDFC Bank, Virajpet branch to produce a bank statement for the period 4/4/2018 till 26/8/2019 and particulars of fixed deposits. As per the order dated so and so, this court was pleased to reject the aforesaid IAs. Aggrieved by the said order, the petitioner filed writ petition and so on the file of the Honorable High Court at Bangalore. As per the order dated so and so, Honorable was pleased to dispose of the said writ petition, directing the respondent to produce their income tax returns and bank statements 2 years prior to so and so. The Honorable High Court has also directed petitioner that he shall cooperate with this court in deciding the application. As per the income tax returns filed, as per the income tax returns verification forms produced in this case for the assessment year so and so, the gross total income of the respondent was 4 lakhs, 18,000, 4 lakhs, etc. The respondent has produced a statement of account maintained in the HDFC Bank by Virajpur on 12/6/2018 and 26/8/2000, a sum of rupees 23 lakhs 9,410 and 20 lakhs 148, etc. were in the account, and she withdrew the entire said amount. Why I am pointing out this, my lord? It's only after I approached this court and this court directed the bank to produce the statement, she produces this. So all through the proceedings before the family court, she could not produce any details. I was constrained to come to my lord, and then after this court ordered me and directed the HDFC Bank to produce the statement, it is only thereafter she produces. This indicates the conduct of the respondent.
What is your income?
My lord, my income, unfortunately, my business, I was in the hoarding business. In the entire Bangalore city, the hoarding business is now under a standstill, and from 2016 onward, there is no hoarding business. My assets, all my properties are attached by the State Bank under SURFACE proceedings. I have declared everything in my statement of assets and liabilities. I have no income, and nor do I have the benefit of visitation rights to my child. My lord, if at least that is given, I have no objection in looking after my child. I'll beg, borrow, or steal, look after her. Neither am I given that benefit. From 2016, not a day I have seen my child.
No GNWC petition.
My lord, I obtained an order before the Commissioner for Minorities thing. That was stayed by this court. My Guardian and Wards Application Act is still pending. By one reason or other, one application or other being filed from 2019, it is not yet reached the stage of hearing also. From 2019, it's
You
pending.
didn't seek for any visitation.
I've sought for it, is being stalled. Matter is not proceeded at all. That is the nature in which the respondent is conducting herself before the court. It's very sad, my
We'll ask. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
What about
After hearing her, my lord granted me the interim order.
What about your statement of assets and liabilities?
Yes,
My lord,
Why did you withdraw 24 lakhs just before filing of this MC petition?
My lords, regarding that particular account regarding Virajpet HDFC bank account, that is a joint account along with her mother, which has been opened in middle of that particular year along with her mother. But because of the particular reason that her father has expired, and to give effect to that transaction, because they were doing coffee business and all, and so her mother and father were taking care of all those things, and she was getting some income, whatever money transferred from them, that is the only source of income she was having. She was into the garment business from the year 2009 to, my lord said, 2017, until she has been thrown out of her matrimonial home. First of all, my lord, both the parties belongs to one family. They know each other, both the families together, and they got married in the year 2013, my lords. The child born in the year 2014, my lords. Thereafter, on 3/4/2017, she has been thrown out of the matrimonial home. She has been sent to her parents' house in Coorg, my lords. So on
The court
7th,
records that you have
was
not even filed your objections.
Pardon, my lords?
The court records that you have not even filed your objections.
This aspect was neither there in the application, my lords. It is subsequently brought before the court, even after arguments addressed by both the parties on the maintenance application, my lords. So this application has been filed in the year 2018, and it has.
Please come to
Yes, ma'am.
page number 27,
Please, my lord.
internal page number 8 of the order, para 14.
Yes, my lord. Parties to the
She has
petition
made a
filed-
false statement in a declaration of assets and liabilities.
No, my
In
lord.
spite of giving sufficient opportunities to the respondent, she had not filed her objections to this application till today.
That is separate application, my lord. Not
Whatever it
that- She has filed the objection and that proceedings are going on simultaneously along in the MC petition, my lords. That petition is going on, she is taking all the defense by her and contesting the matter, my lord. In this maintenance application.
Now, whatever the bank accounts and all show that there are any children?
Yes,
out of
my lord, there is a daughter who is.
There only
born
one
by the
Daughter.
That's all.
What is her age?
Age of 10 years, my lords.
Hmm.
So, my lord, sir, this.
From how long both of you are separated?
2017, please.
20?
Marriage is
17.
2013 and she has been thrown out by 2017.
You're talking about your business and losses from when?
My lord, my business losses has been from 2016 onwards.
No, whatever it is, as far as the child is
Well,
concerned.
child, I'm prepared. Even now I'm saying, my lord, I made that statement to my lords. My lord, give me a visitation right. I haven't even had joy of looking at my child for one day.
Before like that, my lords,
No,
we have
no.
taken an order from CWC for overnight custody and all, which we have challenged about the order.
No, let's forget about that. Now, now how much you will pay for the maintenance of the daughter?
My lord, whatever my lord orders, I'll pay. I have no qualms about it.
No, this educational expenses, how much are the educational expenses?
My lords, since from the year 2017, not even a single penny except
That's
one.
what I'm
20,000.
asking you, what are the educational expenses of the child? Then the quota, what is that?
To the tune of 6,50,000 from class KG to class 5, without the contribution from the respondent, except an amount
Well,
of rupees 20,000 euros.
As the father, don't I have a right to know to which school, where she's studying, what she's studying? What?
Never thought about the welfare of the child.
Please kindly don't talk across.
No, he will he'll pay the fees, he will inquire about it. Then no, show him.
Let him, we don't have any
Hmm.
objection. He
You-
never wanted to, even your.
No,
No,
please tell the,
my lord,
1 minute,
please,
No, what is, according to you, your lead, as of now, about the arrears you forget, what are the amounts? What are the, medical, educational expenses?
My lord, so for this year, she has made a payment of school fee of 1,70,000, my lords, by.
That is per
borrowing
annum.
from- Yes, my lord.
Per annum, 1,70,000.
Additional expense, sir.
No, she's in which standard, you said?
With her borrowing from her mother, relatives and all, my lord.
What, in which class she is?
She is now in 5th class.
5th class.
Yes, my lord.
And what is that, that calculation just now you're saying?
6,50,000 from class KG class 2 till class 5, in which year she studied.
Class, KG to class
Class-
5.
Oh,
Hmm. Now she is in 6th.
5th, my
No,
lord.
but you already 1,70,000, so that should be, that should,
That is not
that-
included, my lord.
that's not included.
Not included.
So 6,52,000 you have paid
6 lakh
towards her
of
education. That is, are you referring to the only school fees or any other maintenance?
School fees, my lord.
Where is she studying?
She's studying, my lord. And Virajpet only, my lord. Details I have to verify.
Hmm. Now the father says he'll take care of her educational expenses.
Yes, ma'am.
Then why are you not, why you are not permitting him to visit the daughter?
We never objected for her visiting and all, my lord. He never.
Where
even your
the
lordship-
father stays, where the,
I stay in Bangalore, please.
She's in Coorg, my lord.
My lord, the Bangalore house was the matrimonial home. My lord, she went away voluntarily. She took the child and she went to her parental place in Virajpet. From that day, she's been there. All my applications to seek for visitation rights or for guardianship has been thwarted till date. My lord, without having, as a father, without having the benefit of looking at my child, they only want me to pay money for her school and education. I haven't even had a say into knowing which school she is admitted, where she is admitted, what is the nature of education she is being imparted.
when was she taken to Coorg?
In
2017 when. she
2017.
left the She has been thrown. Immediately within 3 days, she
It-
received summons from the MC case which has been filed by the husband while they were living together at the matrimonial home, my lords.
My lord, I have been, I have been,
So please take instructions from your client with regard to this, the school expenses.
I'll take instructions. My lord, all I'm saying is,
Also, no. Once
my
you
lord, all
take
I'm saying is, my
instructions-
lord, it should be a give and
That's
take.
why, first you take instructions
I'll-
from your
I'll
client,
take it.
then first you give, then we'll think about take.
And also
My lord,
parents-
I'll give, my lord, I'm surely, I know the mind of the court. As a father, I know but I should equally be.
It will be done.
it should be
Ask him how much, now what is that he is going to do? Is he the client?
He's
Ask him.
here, yes, ma'am.
Ask him.
He's bearing 50% of it.
Sir, she's not working.
Hmm?
She's not, mother is not working, not having any income.
Okay,
of her
you
own.
give the child to me, I'll take care of 100%.
Cannot be the stand, my
That
lord.
can't be
Please-
done.
Yeah,
Can't be.
no, so you cannot blow hot and cold. You be fair, I'll be fair. As simple as that.
No, let's not complicate things, sir. Anyhow, he never had the visitation, and he never saw the child.
We have not-
Now, we'll ask him. Till now, whatever, like you have spent about 6,52,000.
Only educational expenses,
what?
para 16
No,
comes.
that
from
we will, that's the
extracurricular
next step. So 6,52,000, half of it would be.
Well, I have one small objection. When I have not even had the child till that, from today onwards, I'll pay, my lord. My lord, it's unfair, my lord. Please, my lord, kindly look at it this way.
It is
My
not
lord,
that. If you
my
have
lord,
not seen the child,
my lord,
the child is still growing.
my lord,
But
that's why I said, my lord, you give me the child, I look after the child. I don't want a pie from you. I don't want a single pie from you.
Please ask your client, will he pay 3.25, 50% of that and continues to pay 50%?
My lord, from
no,
today,
one-
I will pay 50% from today. Let her give us what is the statement. Let her give her the school receipts, etc. I'll pay from today onwards. My lord, past.
She can't study from fifth class. She has to study from KG.
My lord, she has studied. That shows not they could afford to put her in such a big school. That shows that whatever statement that she's making that she doesn't have any source of income is false. They have a coffee estate about 25 acres. They have a huge house. My lord, kindly see the narration of events and the manner in which she has conducted herself before the court.
No, how is he going to exercise his station? That you tell first.
Yeah.
The child is at court, my lord, so let him come to her home and let him visit the child for few hours, not any objection from my client also regarding to that aspect also, but only because they didn't come forward, that this is not happen. Now, even before the hearing of this matter on the first date of hearing, your lordship has come up with a specific question regarding the custody. They just skip to the other aspects of the matter, your lordship. So they never came forward, and now GNWC petition is also pending, their application also pending there. So during court, he has to come to court. Every occasion, she has to bring the child to Bangalore.
No, that is not possible. Why, how can the child be brought to Bangalore?
Yes.
Why she can't go? He can't go to Kurk.
My lord, I can go to Coorg. Weekends, I'll have her with me. I'll send her back on Sunday evening. I'll bring her on Friday evening.
No,
No,
one minute, straight away, having overnight custody, that will not arise now. Now, for initially, you have to take it slow. First 2 hours, 3 hours, then we'll think about that. Then we'll also come up with an application. We'll direct the court to immediately consider this station until such time this will go on.
That can also be done.
First of all, let your client on this weekend, let him go to Coorg and visit the child for 3 hours.
Please.
He can, in Coorg, he
Let
can,
it be initially for 1 hour, 2 hours, my lord, sir.
2 hours,
Because
2 hours. Okay,
since from the age
2
of
hours,
3
2
years,
hours,
she have not.
2
working.
hours.
Yes.
2 hours, let him have on this Saturday and Sunday. And in the meantime, let him pay this year's full fees.
This year's school.
Full fees first. 1 lakh, what is that?
Like 70,000, my lord.
Huh?
1,70,000.
17 or 70?
70, my lord.
Hmm. This year's fees, let him pay.
That'll be 85,000 I have to pay.
Huh?
85.
No, this year's full fees, let him pay. Anyway, we're not on the arrears, sir. Let this, for this year's full fees, let him pay.
Please, ma'am.